Hey everyone! Today, we're going to talk about 24 AI tools that can help you 10x your productivity. AI is rapidly changing the world, and it's also creating new opportunities for people to be more productive. There are many different AI tools available, but in this video, we're going to focus on 24 of the best tools for boosting your productivity. As you watch this video, you'll see a variety of tools that will help you to improve your workflow and save your time. So, without further ado, let's get started. Writing tools. Grammarly, it will help you to write like a pro with advanced grammar checking and style suggestions. Pro Writing Aid, it's a writing assistant that helps you improve your grammar, style, and clarity. Jasper, it generates high-quality content for you with just a few clicks. Bard, it is a language model that can write, translate, code, and answer your questions in an informative way. SEO tools. Ahrefs, it will help you to find and analyze backlinks, keywords, and other SEO data to boost your website traffic. SEMrush, it improves your website ranking in search engine results pages and manage your PPC campaigns. Moz, this tool improve your website ranking in SERPs and track your SEO performance. Google Search Console, it will track your website's performance in SERPs and identify any issues. Coding tools. GitHub Copilot, it's a code generation tool that helps you write code faster and more accurately. Tabnine, code completion tool that suggests code snippets as you type. Kite, code completion and documentation tool that helps you write code faster and better. Codota, code analysis tool that helps you find and fix bugs in your code. Video editing tools. Adobe Premiere Pro, professional quality video editing software with all the tools you need to bring your vision to life. Final Cut Pro, choice of filmmakers and professional video editors around the world. DaVinci Resolve, known for its color grading and editing capabilities, used by Hollywood films and TV shows. Filmora, easy to use and affordable video editing software, perfect for beginners and hobbyists. Excel productivity tools. Excel Solver solves complex optimization problems in Excel, so you can make better decisions and save time. Power Query helps you get and transform data in Excel, so you can spend less time cleaning data and more time analyzing it. Power BI helps you create data visualizations and reports in Excel, so you can easily communicate your insights to others. XLO OKUP helps you find values in a table or range in Excel with just a few clicks. Graphics and presentation tools. Prezi, dynamic and engaging presentation software that will keep your audience hooked. Canva design platform that helps you create beautiful presentations, graphics, and other visual content with ease. Powtoon video creation platform that helps you create animated and engaging videos to explain complex concepts or tell your story in a visually appealing way. Visme, presentation and infographic creation platform that helps you create professional quality presentations and infographics that will impress your audience. These are just a few of the many AI tools that can help you 10x your productivity. With the right tools, you can free up your time and energy to focus on the things that matter most. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on e-commerce and tech tips to grow your business and earn more money.